Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming hardware and clearing space. Check if your monitor supports pivot or VESA 100/75 mount and grab a screwdriver, level, and mounting kit. Once done, power down and unplug the display, remove cables, and set the stand or mount on a soft surface. Now remove the base or loosen tilt locks according to the manual. This gives you access to the pivot mechanism. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray and note their locations for reassembly. You'll attach the VESA plate using the correct screw length. Too long and you can damage the back panel. Then hang the monitor on the arm or stand and hand tighten bolts before final torque. Once secured, carefully rotate the display into portrait orientation while supporting its weight. Use the included detent or pivot to lock position. After rotating, set height and tilt for ergonomic alignment. Then tighten all fasteners and confirm the screen sits plumb with a level before reconnecting cables. You now finish in software. Open display settings, select the newly rotated screen and choose portrait orientation, then apply and confirm. Make sure resolution and scaling are correct so text and UI elements remain sharp. Adjust app windows and browser layouts as needed. If the image is upside down, choose portrait flipped or rotate 180 degrees in settings. If problems persist, reseat cables, update your GPU driver. Ensure the mount is aligned and tightened, and test.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.